This particular injection have to be prescribed by the doctor, and it's been approved in the UK, US, and I believe a lot of countries out there. So if your testosterone is low, this might also help. If you've not watched the part 1 of this video where I talk about the various causes of low testosterone, I will advise you do so. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room. My name is Mercy Mary, popularly known as the Nurse with a Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for all my viewers. On this particular video, we're going to be talking about what you can do to help with low testosterone, and I'm going to be talking about a little bit about testosterone replacement therapy. If you are new on this channel and these are content you are interested in, please click on that subscribe button, turn on that notification button so you don't miss out when we pop a new video. All right, welcome back. Before we go into the hormone replacement therapy, it is very important for us to talk about your lifestyle. It is very important to talk about change, modifications when it comes to your lifestyle. Sometimes if there is a good change in your lifestyle, you might not need the testosterone replacement therapy, because sometimes our low testosterone is as a result of our lifestyle choices and what is happening around us. So let's break it down. The first advice I would like to give when it comes to lifestyle is to lose a little bit of weight. 5 to 10 pounds is going to go a long way when it comes to your hormone regulation. Why? Because if you have a lot of fat, you have a lot of fatty cells. These fatty cells actually convert this testosterone into estrogen, and estrogen is a female hormone. So you're going to be having more of the estrogens than the testosterone. The more the fat cells, the lower your testosterone. So what I would advise you to do is to start small, start taking a walk, start exercising, because that is going to help you lose a little bit of weight. Then the second I have to share with you is sleep better. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours sleep at night. Why did I say so? When you sleep, your testosterone production takes place. So if you are not getting enough sleep, your testosterone production cannot take place, because most of your testosterone are produced while you sleep. So if you want to improve your testosterone, it is very important for you to have good sleep, because good sleep is very paramount. Then the third one I have to share with you is exercise regularly. Yes, exercise, especially lifting of weight or resistance training, can naturally boost your testosterone level. It also helps with weight loss. And remember, I said that losing weight is very important. Exercise is going to help with your mood and it's going to help with your energy. So if you can register for a gym class, if you can have an accountability partner, let them motivate you to involve in exercise daily, or just follow you to the gym. Have a partner that you can work hand in hand together, because that is going to go a long way to help. Then the fourth one, when it comes to testosterone, increasing the testosterone level, is actually eating healthy. What are you eating? Are you eating more of the processed food? Like I earlier said in my previous live sections, eating healthy food goes a long way with sperm production, goes a long way with testosterone production. Eating nuts, almond nuts, walnuts, all these are very important. So you can type on Google and search for food that helps to boost your testosterone level. But in general, healthy eating is very good to improve your testosterone level. Then the fifth part is lower your stress. Yes, I know in this time and age, in this period, stress is inevitable, but try as much as possible to lower your stress or manage your stress effectively, because an increase in stress level is going to lead to an increase in a hormone known as cortisol, and cortisol blocks the production of testosterone. You can see. So if you are being stressed out, it is very important for you to know a better way to help you manage your stress, because stress affect your testosterone production. Then the sixth one I have to share with you is avoid alcohol and drugs. Yes, you know those recreational drugs, you know alcohol, they mess with your brain, they mess with your liver, they mess with your hormone system. So if you want to boost your testosterone, it is very important for you to avoid those drugs. It is very important for you to stay away from alcohol if possible, because that is going to go a long way. So what I would advise you to do is, if you are someone that usually take 5 bottles a day, try limiting it to 4.5. Don't just go to 4. I'm not wicked, okay? Try limiting it to 4.5, from 4.5 to 4, from 4 to 3. Just take it one step at a time. I know it is easier said than done, but for the sake of your testosterone, it is very important for you to give it a try and see. Then the last one is to ask your doctor for different option method, and that is where the testosterone hormone replacement therapy comes into play. There are different options available for you when it comes to testosterone replacement therapy. Sometimes a gel or a cream can be given that you can rub on dry skin regularly. An injection can also be given that is given IM intramuscularly. Oral tablets can be given. Patches can be given. So the doctors are going to provide you with different options, and they are going to guide you through to see which one best suits you at that particular moment. So if you've tried all these lifestyle changes and none is working, then testosterone replacement therapy is likely going to help. Though some research said this testosterone replacement therapy is more beneficial to the young people than the old, some research said that they've not really seen a significant impact for the old people when compared to the young people. All right, that is why it's very important for you to consult your doctor. Like I will always say, I am not a specialist in this field. I'm just giving you a general health education. Please and please, if you are battling with low testosterone, you've tried all the lifestyle changes and it's not working, it's very important to discuss your concerns with a specialist. It is very important to discuss your concerns with a doctor, because they're likely going to be in a better position to provide appropriate care. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And also, before I go, I just want to let you know that we are going to be talking about an other video where that's going to popping up after this one. And that video, we're going to be talking about the signs of low testosterone. If you are still thinking, are you sure I have low testosterone? In another video, we're going to be talking about the signs of low testosterone in details. If you've not watched our video on the causes of low testosterone, kindly do so. If you've not watched our video on what causes pain in the testes, kindly do so, because these videos are very educational and informative. Thank you very much for staying tuned, and see you in our next power packed video. Bye.